guys. Anyways, hi guys, it's me Ray. Hi guys, it's me Ray. We cannot hear say come outside. Jump here, jump. Red house, red house, red house. Run to the Twisted, aka Brayden's favorite game.
Yeah, I play it sometimes.
This is our house.
Yeah.
But right now it's night, right guys?
Yeah. I got the pro behind you.
Have this. And it's time. And this is the upstairs, guys. This is the way upstairs.
Yeah.
So this is gonna be our room.
You have to survive tornadoes.
La 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 la.
There are no bars so far. Dum dum dee 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 dee. What's this?
I love my dog house. Oh my lordy lord! Oh my god! Yo, look at the radar! Look at the radar! It's gonna be that bad. Look at the radar.
What radar? We're gonna die. We are infantry. We are dead. We're dead. There's a storm. It's rain. Right?
Yeah. I'm a storm chaser.
Then it's going to be raining. Lightning here, saya. We have to go. We need to go to Satan's game. We have to go somewhere safe. I think that we're going to die here. We have to save
I think it's not
ourselves.
coming to us.
Huh?
I think it's not coming to.
But it's almost so near to us. It's near to us.
Barely.
Here.
Barely. Oh yeah.
It's like almost near to us though. Some of the sign is almost near. Brayden, can you stay here first? Can I borrow your car you quick?
Sure.
Stay here, okay?
Okay, but do not crash it, okay?
Yes, I promise. I know how to drive. Bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.
I cannot move it.
You accidentally tapped deploy.
Oh. How to get out of how to get out of deploy?
You just did already.
I did?
Yeah.
Then why can't I drive? I can go straight. Go back. It just go back. I'm just going to go back inside. At least we're safe.
I got my probe here.
Let me go take a photo first. Even though I don't know how to take a photo.
Good chow.
How to take a photo?
Total income 0. Oh my god.
What happened? I think it's a tornado coming. The pink is very strong. Stay here. What?
Guys. Guys.
Huh?
The tornado is heading to Cherokee Village.
Huh? Cherokee Village. It's a tornado. Let's go, guys. Come on, let's go.
Okay.
I need to take a photo.
I'm to stay here, guys.
Come on.
January.
See, come here.
Come!
I'm worried. I'm so scared.
Riley, get your
Saya!
in the car.
Get out of it. Let's go.
Why?
Let's go to the car. God, get out of the camera. Zoom out your screen. Your screen. Saya, come here. Guys, move. I can't see. Don't
Finally.
laugh if it's your fault, Saya.
Guys!
What's that?
Riley, take the phone.
Okay, guys.
Go! You in the car?
Okay. Let's go drive through the tornado. The tornado's been urged. Something going there. Oh, been back to Leo. Some of the other cars. This. Okay, that's not. That's. This is scary.
Yeah.
Saya, are you okay? Yeah? Are you okay? Don't jump, okay? Don't.
Guys,
Huh?
oh my god.
Don't jump, guys. Don't fall down. So, this is us. Going to Wandeda. But then we're going to the next tornado here. Wait, the tornado is going that side. Wait, what do you think? Okay guys, this is a very scary adventure. So let's speed this up. go to the grocery store. Want to get Doritos, Cheetos. Brayden! We could also. Brayden!
Yeah?
We could also. Cody?
No, I cannot because my son is full.
Oh, it's okay. So guys, that's why sometimes you only do I to be proof sometimes. Like
Yeah.
Brayden's proofs. You can see Brayden's proofs. Yeah, so
Doritos.
okay, let's go now. Let's go. Wait for me! Okay, let's go.
Okay. I think we should keep this up people.
What are they doing? So what are they even doing? Brayden,
Yeah?
inside the car. Inside the car.
The car?
Nothing. What? Should we go there? There, BP. I'm inside the car, yeah. Just not inside, ah. Okay, go. Crash them. Brayden, what are you doing, Brayden? What are they
That was
doing?
way too loud.
You just go to. So what's gonna happen? We're in fire lake. I'm going to go look at one of the other shops. Come here, guys. Guys, jump. Come. Come here. Sia,
Hey, come.
stay there, okay, Sia? Let's go.
We go to the driver.
Stay inside, Sia. Stay there. Just stay there.
Oh my lord, we did. He's lagging so badly.
Stay in the car. There. Stay in the car first. Stay in the car first.
Oh my.
Stay in your car first. Stay there, please, yeah? Don't go anywhere. I'm going to let's go find food.
Isipin yung puro garden yan. Nung wala kang
Oh, flip, I accidentally dropped my probe.
My gosh, yes.
Bah,
1,000.
what's this? Oh,
Ang swimming pool na to.
It's a restaurant.
oh, I don't want to go there. I'm not craving for anything also. Oh, Dubia donuts. Yes, donuts.
Yeah, boy.
We're gonna get donuts.
Yeah.
We have donuts.
Give me that donut.
Thank you. Let's go. Now he's calling me.
Wait, actually?
Yeah, she's calling my name. What's happening? What happened, Saya?
Oh, there's a car nearby my car. There's a random dude nearby my car.
So imagine before school.
Who's that? Monster, hi, monster. Everything's so what are they doing? Brayden? What are you doing, Brayden?
These things.
For what?
No reason.
I want to stand here, but I cannot.
Back
Okay, let's go.
family.
Let's go. Brayden? I think that's a team. That's a convoy, Brayden. That's a convoy, I think. Brayden. That's a convoy. What's happening? Let's go back to fun. Well, what should we do now? Mosquitoes. Let's go.
In our house.
Can we go somewhere else? Can we go to should we go to Hazelton? Hazelton. Oh, never mind. Oh my God. Should we go to another house? Or not? Or no need? Yeah, let's go to Fun Cree faster. Let's go to Fun Cree. We have to be fast. What the freak? Is that Tikas following us? Stop the car, Brayden! Stop the car! Never mind! Oh my... Wait, there's more! Oh my God. There's more. What about those people in Cherokee Village? They're all leaving to go here. Everyone's all going there. What the freak? They Let's see my God! We have to go back to our car fast. Our house. We did! down. Freak.
There's another.
My God! Oh my God! I'm going to die. We have to go to our town faster. Where's Fun Key? We're going inside. Guys! It's raining. We're close to our town, but we'll get in here.
Oh, I see the wall cloud. I see the wall cloud.
What? Should we go there?
Get back in.
What? Guys, wait! Okay, there. Go. Wheelchair by. Replace the wheelchair with fork. Oh! We have to go back to our house faster. Oh my God. We need to get. Wait, why are you going there? We need to go to our house. Oh. Guys, I'm scared. Is that a tornado? There's a tornado! Guys! Guys! dead. This one tornado. This one tornado here, nearby here. And it's like orange. We're dead. Guys, gang, Batis. Bats. We are dead.
Can we case it?
Yes, let's go outside. Let's go. Keisha, stay here, Keisha. Stay here. We're going to the tornado, okay? Stay there, Keisha. Bye-bye, take care, okay? Don't die. Go. You have to go back to life, okay? We're going to chase them. I'm going to like. I'm so scared. I'm scared. I watched this. One is us, the other one is Riley. Where are we going? Brayden, where are we going? Where are we going, Brayden? Brayden,
Yeah.
where are we going?
What? We're gonna chase some tornadoes.
Okay. Guys, we're going to Hibin to see a tornado. Okay. This is where they said that's where the parents said. Are you sure? My God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Let's check if Funky is okay. Yes, guys, Funky is okay. It's safe. It's about to exit. The storm is exiting. The storm is exiting. Riley safe. Riley, she's safe. Riley is safe now. Oh my God. Riley is safe. She's safe.
Could be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench.
My God!
with a piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the new
Oh my God. friends stay there. Brayden! Let's go back to Ivy. Rico is chatting in Gobo. Guys, we have to go back. But the tornado is chasing us. My God! Oh my God! It's so scary. Let's go to I's house. Let's go back to our house. What the freak was that? I guess we're almost there. Yes! We're here. We're here. Let's go. What's Riley? Saya! Let's go! We're safe. I mean, we're safe. We just saw the tornado.
Yeah, I tried to intercept it, but you jumped off. But don't worry, it was super weak.
Yeah, at least I was running away from my eye.
Yeah, but you should have jumped off. It was weak.
Well, I was screaming. I don't get tornadoes. That's scary. I know your car is also weak, so it will also fly away. That's so scary.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh,
Yeah, never and again.
that's so scary.
Yeah.
For you.
What?
The car's not away for you.
No, the car's there. I'm very happy we're safe.
Yeah.
Guys, who wants to go back to find tornadoes? That's yeah. Do you wanna come with us? Come with us, yeah. No, you come with us now. Come. Come here. Okay, bye. Come on. Nanay, tatay. Gusto ko yung natay, ate, kulang. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's see, yeah. We're going to the tornado. Sit there, okay, Sia? Don't jump.
Oh my god.
Sia! Don't jump, okay? Don't jump, okay? No jump, no. Just don't jump. Yes, don't. Let's go. We're going on an adventure. Stay with Ivy. And as we know, we're all safe. There's a red one over there. And today I sing a song. This is a green tornado. It is a ito week. And there is another person. And this lightning strikes gray. It's probably not strong, I think. I don't know. I don't think they have meanings. This thing is probably also a tornado. But I think it's also weak, I think. And this is also a tornado with some other things going there. But this time it is red. I don't know what is this. This is I don't know. I don't know what that is. And there we are. We are just driving together. Our house is in Funky. And we are so excited. Hibin, yike. Tib. Kisota, yike. Kisota State Forest. Miss yike. Miss Pa. Yo, 3 mile. Yike, Starbuck. Taiwan na got to Hazelton. Let's just go. And then on the adventure, Brayden, Shan, and Ray, but the others aren't here, aka Ice, Toto, and Ethan, but at least 3 of us are here. Her Amora, Trabi Country, Trend, Pirate, Pirate, Helma, West Velcroa, Tateveye, Wenachi River, Hiam, Sneed, Padora, Wadina State Park, Jake Sneed, Wadina, Chandler, Adresa, Cherokee, VH. Where are we going? I can see the tornado. Oh! I can see the tornado. Can you guys see the tornado? We're going to the tornado, guys. We gotta be careful. See the villagers over here. Wait a minute. I thought we're going to the tornado. Where's the tornado? What the freak? They're still here. Let's go. Keep going to find the tornado. Let's find the tornado, Brayden. Faster.
Oh my lordy lord.
Let's go to the tornado. We're so excited. I don't know what I'm doing. 5:42. What the fuck? First, let's go. Need to go. Let's go to the tornado. I'm so excited. I'm scared also. Hey, I thought we were going to the tornado.
Gone now. It's rotating, so that means now. Anytime soon.
Oh! Let's go to another tornado then. Let's go to another tornado. What the fuck? There's a little bit of heavy rain just starting to form here. See? In Hazelton. Hazelton is I think, is the most targeted one. The most. Riley is lucky, I guess, that she didn't even get to see a tornado. Wow, so many things is broken. Let's just send it over there. This is a little bit tornado. I think it's a tornado. There's a tornado!
Yeah.
Go, run, run! Go there, run! What if we did? What about if it disappears? We have to go. We're on our way. We're going there. Dead end. Guys, they are leaving me. Guys, subscribe and like to help me. Cause me is sad because me got left. Oh, they're coming back, they're coming back, they're coming back. But still me sad because me abandoned. Me crying. Me sad. Me abandoned. Okay guys, say bye!